New at 8, a group representing most of the bars in San Francisco has put out new guidance. This requires customers to either be vaccinated or to have a 72-hour negative COVID test if they want to go inside. The SF Bar Owner Alliance says this is going to take effect this Thursday. KRON 4's Amanda Hari is joining us live now to explain why now, Amanda?
The founder of the alliance says they decided to do this now because of the Delta variant. It just made it apparent that they needed to do something. The alliance has about 500 members, and they represent 300 bars throughout the city. That's the majority of the bars in San Francisco.
In the last few weeks, we started seeing an alarming number of bar staff who were vaccinated contracting the Delta variant.
Founder of the San Francisco Bar Owner Alliance, Ben Blyman, says the situation was becoming dire. He says multiple bars had to shut down because of positive cases.
We just took a look at the data, and the data doesn't lie, and it's very clear. If you're unvaccinated, you are much more likely to spread it.
Blyman decided to reach out to the members of the Informal Alliance to see if they were interested in an official position from the group about requiring proof of vaccination.
We did a poll, and we have over 80% of respondents were for it.
He says unvaccinated individuals can still patronize bars.
I don't mind if they sit outdoors. That's okay. But if they want to step foot in our bars, they better be vaccinated.
He also says that the Alliance's official stance is that parklets and patios are okay for unvaccinated individuals, but each bar can choose to enforce things however they want. They can be more strict or not require any proof of vaccination.
We're already seeing some of the most premier bars in San Francisco do this. You have the Edge in the Castro, which is debatably one of, if not the most popular bar in the Castro.
He says the bar industry has been hit hard by COVID-19, and they need to do what they can to keep their doors open.
We have mouths to feed, we have rents to pay for our homes. And for the first 12 months, this was a virus that we couldn't control. Now we can control it.
The founder tells me he's not necessarily trying to change minds. He's just trying to protect workers and their families. Live in San Francisco, Amanda Hari, KRON 4 News.
Hey, Amanda, enforcement could be pretty tough. Will the Alliance help the bars do that?
Yes, in addition to the guidance that they're putting out, they're also offering signage that they can put up that says this is from the Bar Alliance and not necessarily the bar on their own. So that way it doesn't look like it's just the bar trying to enforce this, but a bigger group.
All right, Amanda, thanks very much.